Welcome to Don't Lecture Me channel. Today we're playing something really fun. Guess the correct logo of some popular brand or an app. And before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our videos. Let's get started. Good luck! Round 1. If you know you can do better, then do better. Round 2. I really love your smart brain. I admire your ability to solve these puzzles. Round 3. I'm proud of you. There was a time Einstein couldn't count to 10 either. Round 4. You are a person of subtle intellect. Do you think it's too easy? Round 5. Be the best you can be. Remember it. Round 6. I believe you can do it. Round 7. You are sharp-witted. Round 8. I will really look forward to our meeting tomorrow on this channel. Round 9. What a smart person. Too many people undervalue what they are and overvalue what they're not. Round 10. The answer is simple, right? Subscribe to my channel. See you soon!